Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a dashboard on Odoo or a database on Odoo. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on my dashboard right now, and if I go into dashboards, you'll see the dashboard module, which you can use to create any other dashboards. Now, these dashboards are pretty much what you can use for analytics. Pretty much you can use them for sales, for finance, logistics, your website, and e-commerce on your website, human resources, pretty much anything you would like. And you can very easily search through these dashboards to pretty much have a main overview of all of your modules which you're currently using, and have on-hand analytics for all of them. Now you can select a period for whichever year you would like, or whichever period you would like for that matter. And once you change these, as you can see, they will tell you exactly what you're doing or what you were doing during that period, at least for accounting. Invoicing, you can search and filter through certain criteria as well. Logistics, pretty much the same thing. E-commerce as well, or rather there are not any filters, but this will just show you the analytics. But you guys pretty much get the gist of it. You can go through this and see all the analytics of your Odoo service. You can go to configurations and configure the dashboards from there. You can create a new dashboard if you so chose, but all in all, that is pretty much it. Now you can also create new dashboards even if you create a new database. To create a new database, just go to my databases and you'll have the create button right over here at the top. So just create a new database and you'll have fresh dashboards for that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.